With the rapid development of unmanned aerial drone technology, the demand for low-altitude security is growing exponentially. LZ Tech adheres to the mission of make the sky safer, launch comprehensive, low-altitude security solutions. Handheld drone detection and defense equipment, integrating detection and early warning, direction finding, jamming and networking into one system. Designed for portable solo scenarios, lightweight design, suitable for usage. During running, lifting and standing, enhanced usability with broader operational adaptability. Detection and early warning. When a drone is detected, the system automatically issues an alarm, real-time dynamic data display of drone's electronic fingerprinting, model types, position and quantity, and critical flight parameters, accurate direction finding, precise positioning. Beyond the line of sight, drones can be jammed. Precise control and management. Add verified drones to the whitelist while maintaining real-time tracking and alarms for other unauthorized drones. After locking the drone's position, aim the device at the direction where the drone is located. Pull the trigger to activate the jamming function. The system automatically filters whitelist drones and only defend against unauthorized drones. Drone remote control signal jammed within seconds, automatically initiating force to land or retuning to home protocol. Accurate mitigation and spoofing. Activating spoofing-induced diversion protocol. The target immediately executes the commands. Signal loss alarm at the remote controller is showed in real time, initiating forced landing command, terminating navigation links for unauthorized drones. Handheld drone detection and defense equipment. Designed with precision integrated lightweight airframe, individual combat operations, lightweight and portable. Comprehensively safeguard the security of airspace